Hello everyone, welcome back to Filipina Manskin channel, and today's video is a part 2 of my first day in San Diego. You know, in San Diego you can go to a trolley bus tour, and they're not very expensive. It's worth to go that tour because they tour you from, you know, like around San Diego and some the old town. So there's a lot of history there and you will learn. So hopefully you like this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video to your friends and family. So please watch until the end and leave a comment below. Here's the video.
Somebody sick again today, so here I am over here.
Yeah, I know this.
Pabalik na kami sa...
I'll get back on the trolley
We're
someday.
going back to the first stop, Rolling Park. So here, we're getting the bus again. Diyan, ay dito na tayo? Sige. Dito na daw kami. Upo para walang hangin. Grabe ang hangin. Tingnan mo dito. Pangit talaga.
I'll be right back.
This is the grandstand for Balboa Park. There's no event yet, but look at all these people. They're touring. I don't know where they came from, or ayan. Ay. Uy. Electric to eh. Tingnan mo naman yung sounds. Oo, aanuhin ka talaga. This is Balboa Park. Oo, yata. Pero ano, restaurant to? Doon.
Restaurant yun. Bakit nagutom ka na naman? Dami pagkain natin.
Kasi dito, artifact. Restaurant, hindi man museum. Ha? International Museum. O, dali na dito. Okay. Baka ito nga yun. beautiful around here. Wow. Sige, Pe. Ayan. Ganda. Ganda dito. Ayan. Beautiful.
Isa lang mag-plant sila dito kasi yung weather nila.
Ganda, no?
Daming bakit.
Beautiful.
Ito,
Ay, di apa man di ay. Oh.
ganun may gwapo sa pili.
Ha? Guwapo po tong pink.
O lagi pero mas
Dito. Dito kami mag-start ng tour. Nandoon, no? Dito tayo. Oo. Ayan, mag-start na namin. Ito, tingnan mo yung mga pagod na, oh. Ayan, mga pagod na, oh. Ayan, mga pagod na. Ayan, mga friend.
Pagsi-cellphone.
Ayan, mga friend, mga pagod na. Pagod na talaga sila. Grabe, isang araw. Pagdating namin dito sa hotel, kumain kami ng mga tira-tira. Ayan.
Dapat kakain kami dun sa...
Oo. Dapat kakain kami sa labas. Hindi na, kasi hindi na kaya ng mga paa. Ayan kasi, yung mga seniors na kasi kami. Ayan. Ayan. Mga seniors na kasi. Kaya, ayan, pahiga-higa. Tignan mo naman ang mga posisyon nila. Pahiga-higa. Ayan. Maliligo na ako. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one, my next episode. There's more on my tour in San Diego, so in my second day and the third day, so please watch for that. I will upload the video soon. So thank you so much to all my kababayan. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa araw na ito. At magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga vlog or sa sunod ko pang mga adventure. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless. Babu.